Hello everyone. So for today's video, gonna be very short one today, but we'll see how we can integrate Wazuh alerts with N8N workflow. And I have choose this very basic use case that you can use as a baseline. So the workflow will be like sending alerts, then implementing conditional logic here, and then enrich our alerts using AI, then send notification to the Telegram. Okay, so for requirements, make sure to have on this point, make sure you have N8N installed as well, Telegram web configuration, and the API key to your AI tool. So, and yeah, so the first thing that we will be covering is like we need to add our integration that will be sending read the Wazuh alert, send it to the listener of our N8N webhook. And yeah, let's go. So I just forgot to mention that I will share the integration script link in the description, so you can find it and just copy paste it to your Wazuh, upload it to your Wazuh manager, and just make sure to upload the integration here and give it the name custom, and yeah, then you can name it anything if you want. Should just maybe someone would be watching this video in the future, but like the version that I'm using here, it's from .11. I think it works as well for the 12. Make sure to give the user ownership, user and group root Wazuh, and also permission to the file here. And then you simply need to configure Wazuh to use that integration. Go back and just here. You can use it from the UI or from the CLI, whatever you prefer. So you just need to specify the name of the integration, then the hook URL. I will show you where to get that. Then the condition. I'm using level 3, but you can use other conditions like rows ID or level 10 or 12, that whatever works for your use case. But just for simplicity, I'm using level 3 because I can just simulate it quickly. Okay, so first, we need to, when you go back to N8N, you need to define a webhook that would play the role of a listener. So once you define it, it will give you a URL, and this is our webhook URL here that will be used by the integration. Okay, so if we want to simulate this, yeah, let's just go for all the part first. This is the webhook URL. Then we have our condition. Here you can add the condition, depends on your use case, but here I'm just adding severity is equal to low, which is like level 4 to lower. And then I just add a summarization chain which is linked to my DeepSeek model. And then at the end, like last thing would be sending a message to Telegram. And if I want to simulate this, I think I can just click here. That would just start the listener, and now we will simulate like any alert. For instance, just simple alert. You see like this has been executed, and if we see we received an alert like login session opened because I just changed the privileges. That would go now to my condition, which satisfies the condition. If we check here the schema, and we will see like the severity is 1 low, and my condition is equal to 1 low, so that would go to the next step. Okay, so this is the output of the condition. And then I can just start my summarization chain, which I will show you what it has. It has like a prompt that basically says, hey, analyze the following as a SOC analyst. And the following is, we just check because it's not working. But you can, I think we can just drag it like this. This is the inputs. So I just told it like take the whole body and analyze it here from the webhook and just analyze all of it and then give me a summary, which is already done here. This is the output summary, like adding some context. And then if I just run the last step here, which would be the Telegram notification, I'm expecting to have a notification probably, I think that's trigger again. I'm not sure why. Waiting to execute, okay. Okay, now I see I have the notification here. Okay, and it's adding like more context using AI. We can execute the whole workflow if you want here, because I was going just step by step to show you. Now, if we try to do the same, just try to simulate an alert, you see like it's been already triggered the webhook listener, and now it's summarizing the alerts. And yeah, it should just take a few minutes. You see, I have my notification here. So yeah, that should be it. And I will share also the link to the workflow if you want to use it. So you can just basically just create workflow. I think you can just import some file, then you have it here. You can modify it the way you want. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope you find it useful. Thank you.